Discord is giving out a lot of orbs. But before that, only 4.1% have subscribed. Make sure to subscribe now if you want Nitro news on time. So first is from NT, this is a phone quest, so do it there. Also, you can do PC quests on phone too. The second quest is from Eve. This is a PC quest which can also be done on your phone. The third quest is from Invisible, which gives out 200 orbs like the others. The fourth is from One State, which is a phone quest that can't be done on PC. I guess phone users will feel special for the first time. That is it. In total, you will get 800 orbs. I know it's not enough to get free 3 days Nitro, but hey, I collected 61,700 orbs, which can give me 5 months free Nitro. You can do it too if I can. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. Then go to Verify channel and simply verify yourself to activate all the channels. Just don't join my main server if you want free Nitro or Orbs links. You can join my support server instead.